Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going on a little Lada adventure. Gonna try to bring this car back to Ireland. It is Friday the 13th and I'm not sure how much life is in this car. We've got about
Friday, isn't it?
Friday the 13th. What do you think? You confident?
Do you know what? It's blind ignorance. Like, as long as it's warm, I don't really care.
Yeah,
it's fine.
That tyre is definitely a bit low. She takes a while to start in a cold morning, but can you let me in, please? Thank you. Oh, handy little pedal rubber. Very well. Are you comfortable?
I'm warm, which is the main thing.
It's so stiff.
Stop it.
Well, yeah, like we drove from London, Coventry, now down to Fishguard, and we are
flat to the match.
We are 26 miles away from the boat, and we haven't had a single issue. Nothing, except we can't use second gear.
I was going to say, second gear doesn't work. You just have to smash it. You go like first.
Rev the nuts out of it first, smash it in the third. Do that again? It's not automatic, and I do it way harsher in the third. We'll give a demonstration up here now. Alright, that's first gear. 3 attempts to find it, but we gotta.
It's fine.
The box is literally like, and that's probably my fault.
Yeah, you break the box on it. But that's fine, because I know how to get out of second gear if you do.
You are the expert. She won't even let me try to fix it now. Like, she has. No, I know how to do it.
Well, do you know what?
To be fair, you got it out of second every time we got stuck in second. So.
I am a very important part of this operation.
It's a delicate hands.
Right, ready? First.
1 second now.
Jesus. Oh.
There we have it. It's like the longest second gear ever because it started. She petrol or diesel?
Petrol, dear. No. Right, put 20 litres in so it doesn't burn my brain with the fuel smell again.
That was quite a nice trip. She did it. Like, it is going to make it to Ireland. We got another, what, 2.5 hours in Ireland.
We got
in the phone.
Alrighty. She's made it. I'm actually very impressed. Oh.
We are going to Ireland. Lada makes its journey to Ireland.
This little car's been all over the world. Oh.
It's in a line. That was close.
There we are.
Hear the well of diff in the paint, listen.
Alright. Now, stop it.
We are gonna make it to Ireland. I can't believe it. Seriously, I was expecting punctures. I was expecting the diff to break at like 70 miles an hour. That was very straightforward. Like, no drama whatsoever.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's great that it has a SIM card. Ooh, it's so loose.
Like, I wish I could explain to you guys like what's going on right now. I'm just trying to hold on to my camera. Oh. Alrighty. Look at his face. Hi!
Don't let him come home.
Oh, hello! Oh,
hey, Jimmy!
Hi.
Hey, Jimmy!
Hi! Hello! Hello, Johnny! Hi! Oh no! Oh, hey, Jimmy.
Hey, out! What do you think this is? How do you know it's a Lada?
Oh my god!
Sorry about the gear change, dogs. Second is dodgy. Woo! So guys, we are back in Ireland. The Lada has made it without a single issue. I'm very, very surprised. So it's really good to be back. I haven't been here in about 6 weeks. So nice to be back in the workshop. Nice to see the old babies again. And basically just making a bit of a plan now about what's coming up in the next few weeks. So it's good to be back. We're working just a bit on the Eurofighter after Speed Week, and we had that driveline vibration, and it is just a prop shaft after going out of balance. So we put in a couple of our spare prop shafts as soon as we got home, just had a play with it, and yeah, you could feel the difference in vibration and harmonics between each prop shaft. So one of the first things we're doing is we're sending the carbon prop back to drive shaft shop for inspection, and we're also sending the aluminium prop shaft, which is a spare for the Eurofighter, but we're going to shorten it and have it as a spare for the S14. One of the gearboxes, the Samsonite transmissions, this transmission has done about 15 events in the BMW, so we pull that out. We have it, we're just inspecting it, checking it over. A couple of the dog ears need replacement, but in general it's the time of year to do that. Really haven't had any major issues with these gearboxes. You just have to, you know, check them out on a regular occurrence and make sure everything is going looking good, and they're really, really easy to work on and maintain. So we have a few new parts ordered for that transmission, and get it all put back together and she'll be as good as new again. The RX-7, I still haven't tested it since our last dyno session, so hopefully in the next couple of weeks when the lockdown eases, I'll be bringing this car to track and just see how it is with all the ECU Master products. And one really cool thing that we're working on at the moment is these signed prints. So it's the first time I ever did anything like this. We're going to have these on the 130.shop website. Limited edition, we're doing 130 of these signed prints. Something different, and quite a few people have been asking me about something like this. So it's one of Paddy McGrath's unreal shots from action shots from Mondello Park, and yeah, I really, really love this. And to be honest, the GoPro isn't doing the image much justice. It looks really cool in person, and I'm very happy with that. Another real cool thing we have coming to the shop. I was working with Latuta Motorsport Graphics, who's been doing all of my liveries and all of the designs and racing suits over the years. He's really, really good. And these are our new sticker packs. So we have the S14, the BMW, the RX-7, and then on the other version we have a side view of all the cars plus some logos. And something really cool and different is that we actually have the wheels, all the different 720 wheels that we run, and you can actually peel these off individually and stick them onto whichever car you want to play with the wheels on the cars. So really cool idea, I thought, and I really, really like that. So we have a lot of new things and something a bit different before Christmas. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with that. We've been focusing a lot on that this year, and it's something new, and it's nice to have our own stuff to share with the people that support us. And I really appreciate the support that everyone's been giving me, especially on a strange year like we've been having. So yeah, what else has been going on in general? To be honest, I'm focusing right now a lot on 2021, and it's been a really interesting few weeks because I've been speaking with a number of different people about, you know, I have opportunities to compete in FD, in Europe, maybe even RDS. So there's a lot of things up in the air right now, a lot of different opportunities. So I feel fortunate to be in a exciting new position, and yeah, I think the next few weeks are really going to tell a lot in which direction we're going to go in next year. And I'm personally like really excited. I cannot wait to get back into competition. I found it really strange watching Formula Drift this year from the live stream and not being there in person. So it's definitely been a weird year, you know, from going there competing in the top level in the world to now watching it from the sidelines. It's a strange year, but you know, 2020 threw a lot of weird things, I think, for all of us. But the most important thing is that, you know, we try to stay safe, and we're moving in a positive direction, I think. And I think 2021 is going to be a lot more exciting for me personally, and I cannot wait to get back into competition and drive hard. Maybe somewhere new, maybe, you know, who knows what's going to happen. But all I know is it's going to be exciting and we're going to be back on track in 21. So bring that on. That's all I can say. So while I was gone, my nephew Chris borrowed my KTM 350 and he was very kind. The chain was absolutely wrecked in the bike, so when he took it out in a few days out, fitted a new chain, new sprockets, so that's pretty sweet. So I'm looking forward to getting on the bike again. And that's Becky's KTM as well, so she's here at me as well for the next couple of weeks, so definitely gonna have some fun on these. And I think that's pretty much it from our side here in Ireland. It's really good to be back, great to see my family again. We're all keeping our distance at the moment, but it's really good to just catch up with everyone. And yeah, exciting times ahead, guys. That's all I can say. I think that's pretty much it for this week anyway, guys. It's good to be home, and yeah, let's see what next week brings. See you guys then. Take care.